Welcome to 139 Minia Drive, Jallora. Set on 5 peaceful acres, this beautiful lifestyle property offers the perfect blend of privacy, space and country charm. Featuring 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This home is ideal for families looking for a relaxed lifestyle surrounded by beautiful natural surroundings. If you've been dreaming of peaceful country living, I'd love to show you through. I'm Bree from Barr & Stanley Real Estate and I'd love to meet you at 139 Minia Drive, Jallora.